Are you looking for the best hand blenders for soap making? In this video we will look at some of the best hand blenders for soap making on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Hamilton Beach Hand Blender. The Hamilton Beach 4-inch-1 electric immersion hand blender is a versatile and multifunctional kitchen tool designed to simplify your cooking tasks. With the ability to blend, mix, puree, whip, and chop, this immersion hand blender offers a range of functions to enhance your culinary experience. The appliance features 2 speeds and an easy grip design, providing flexibility and control during use. The high speed delivers more power, while the low speed is perfect for delicate foods. One standout feature of this hand blender is its convenience in blending directly in pots, pans, bowls, or cups, eliminating the need to transfer food to a separate blender. This not only saves time but also reduces the number of dishes to clean, making it an ideal choice for preparing soups, sauces, purees, and more. Number 2. Cuisinart CSB-75R. The Cuisinart CSB-75R is a versatile and improved immersion blender designed to make your blending tasks a breeze. With its new and enhanced features, including 2 speeds, low and high, it caters to a variety of blending needs. The stick design allows it to reach into pots, pitchers, and bowls, expanding your blending options and making it a versatile kitchen companion. The ergonomically designed grip ensures a comfortable hold, providing you with more control during the blending process. Operating with a convenient one-touch control, the blender simplifies the blending experience, making it easy and efficient. Cleanup is a hassle-free task as the blending shaft and beaker are dishwasher safe, adding convenience to your kitchen routine. The Cuisinart CSB-75R is a reliable and user-friendly immersion blender that brings ease and efficiency to your blending tasks. Number 3. MuellerLiving Hand Blender. The MuellerLiving Hand Blender is a versatile and powerful immersion blender designed to eliminate lumpy chunks and make your blending tasks quick and efficient. With 3 easy-to-attach accessories, this slim handheld blender can handle a variety of tasks, from blending shakes and soups to frothing milk and whipping cream or batter. The 3 attachments include a stainless steel blending shaft for various blending needs, a frother for foaming all types of milk, and a whisk for whipping cream or batter. The turbo mode feature enhances the blender's power, and its ergonomic grip and non-slip handle ensure comfortable and controlled usage, reducing splashes with the blade housing. Using the MuellerLiving Hand Blender is straightforward. To simply add the desired attachment, plug it in, submerge the blade, and blend away while adjusting the speed according to your needs. The included instructions provide further details on usage. Number 4. OVENTE Electric Immersion Hand Blender. The OVENTE Electric Immersion Hand Blender is a kitchen powerhouse designed to simplify your blending tasks. With its high-speed 300-watt motor, this blender effortlessly tackles a variety of recipes, from smoothies and pureed soups to marinades, sauces, and juices. The adjustable speed feature, offering low to high settings, allows you to achieve the perfect texture and consistency with just a simple touch. In terms of design, the blender boasts a sleek and ergonomically designed motor housing body. The non-slip and easy-to-grip handle provide comfortable and sturdy control during use. The slim stick immersion shaft, made of food-grade stainless steel, is heavy-duty and compact, fitting into almost all mixing bowls, pots, and beakers for your daily blending needs. Number 5. Elite Cuisine EHB 1000X 150-watt Hand Blender. The Elite Cuisine EHB 1000X 150-watt Hand Blender is a versatile kitchen tool designed to make your cooking experience more efficient and hassle-free. With its easy-to-clean immersion blending feature, you can seamlessly blend, chop, and mix directly in your pots, bowls, or juice pitchers, minimizing the number of dishes and ensuring a fast cleanup process. Equipped with a powerful 150-watt motor, this hand blender can handle a variety of tasks, including blending, pureeing, mixing, and chopping. Whether you're preparing healthy drinks, shakes, sauces, soups, or other culinary creations, this blender is up to the task. The stainless steel blades are perfect for whipping up egg whites, cream, and salad dressings, adding to its versatility in the kitchen.